What's up, YouTube? We're gonna be working today removing this panel. This is the door panel on the driver's side, and this is a Lancer. Having issues with the speaker. It's making a lot of weird noise, and I think the speaker is damaged. Anyway, the first thing we're gonna get a flathead screwdriver, thin one if you have one, and we need to pop up this little cover here. And we're gonna find a Phillips screw there. Then here on the handle, same thing. You do the same thing, you find another screwdriver, a screw in there. Right here on the handle when you open and close, that little square. I recommend to get a really thin flathead screwdriver, because it's to be able to put it in between it and pop it open. We have one more here. Another one. And then also look around, all around the door. And on this case I already checked all around, and there is nothing around. So we're gonna start by removing all the screws that I mentioned. Also, on this little corner, usually you can pop it up from here, but in this model, it comes with a little cover, and there's another screw in there. Once you remove the screw here, you just pop this up. Alright, so now I have a total of 5 screws. I'm gonna put them to the side here. And now all you have to do is get a flathead screwdriver here in edge, so you can pop this thing open. Let me show you guys. Okay, so get another flathead screwdriver. This one has to be kind of thick. And then you go on the side here. And just you go around with the screw, and everywhere you stop, that's what you need to pop. So you just go all around the door, doing the same thing. Once you have all around open, guys, when you remove the screw from here, pop this little cover. You basically need to put a flathead screwdriver on top and on the bottom. Because this little thing here, there's a clip that goes in, so once you put the screwdriver on top, it pops out, and on the bottom it pops down. And then the door is free. Now, on the bottom part, you pull up, you push up, and you just get enough room to unplug the connector here. For the connector, you just have to press in the metal and just pull on it. And there we have it, guys. See, this is the little clips that when you go with the screwdriver, you pop it open on each end. And this is the clicks that crack, guys. I'm gonna replace those too. And this go lock right here, like this one. This one they changed it already. Alright, so now that we have it open, I notice the speaker is all messed up. So that's what keeps making the sound. On this case, I'm gonna remove the speaker and plug it, and there's just 4 screws around it. Take them off. It's like glued to the door. Alright guys, so there it is. I'm gonna replace the speaker and I just have to put everything back together. So I'm gonna show you how to remove this cover. To start, we're gonna press here on the button here and open the little seat. Once it's open, right underneath the cover, you're gonna find 3 bolts, 1 on each end. There's gonna be one here, and one in the middle. These are Phillips screwdrivers. Let me show you guys how you're gonna see it. Okay, so now from underneath, this is the back of the seat, and this is the speaker. We have 1 bolt here, and we have another one here, and on the right side of the car we have another one here. So we're gonna remove those 3 bolts. That's what's holding the cover. Okay, so here's one. Okay guys, so now here, this is where you're gonna find out it's already loose. If you notice, the bolt is not gonna go out because it's held by this clip. As long as it's turning, it's releasing this thread. So if you don't see the bolt coming out from underneath, it's okay. I was able only to remove one, but you don't really have to. Look at this. That one stay there and the other one stay there. So I think it's a better system so they don't get lost. And I'm able to remove my speaker now. Here there's 4 bolts holding it, Phillips. 1, 2, and we have 2 more in the back, 3 and 4. And also the connector here, if you need to remove it, you have to press on it and pull back at the same time. And now I'm able to remove the bolts and remove my speaker. And that's how you remove the speaker. Alright guys, so this is gonna do it for today. I really hope you guys learned something, or at least a little tip. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments please. And try to be better every day. Don't forget to share and subscribe.